Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to delete a Black Clover mobile account. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch this application and tap this cross icon at the top right corner. Now once you tap this one, you have to look for options and that is below Mail. And then under options, we have here games, sound, graphics, language, notifications. You just have to click account. Now you have to scroll down till you see this delete a link account and look for contact us. Tap contact us button and then it will take you directly to another page. Now here what you want to do is to simply scroll down again and you have to look for account issues. Okay, so here it is. Now tap account issues and after that you have to scroll down again and click this account binding. Tap this one. Now, after you tap this, you don't need to read all of the instruction right here, information. What you want to do is to simply scroll down till you see submit a request. So next is you have to tap submit a request. And then here, what you want to do is to search or select this black clover. Tap this one, type your nickname, confirm your account ID, your region, and then for the type of issue, you have to look for account deletion. So tap that one description. Everything is up to you. Let's just say, please help me, or I want to delete my account in block clover. And after that, you have to scroll down again and look for the reason why you want to delete this game. But actually, you can copy this one or you can create your words. Everything is up to you. So again, for your reason, you can just simply say that you don't want to play this game or you just don't find it interesting or something like that. So after you type your description and reason, what you want to do is to simply scroll down and tap this two boxes here. Check this. You can add a file if you want, but this one is optional and submit your request. Now you just have to wait for them to respond to this request. Thank you so much for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. See you in our next tutorials.